Hello, hi, namaste, I'm Neha. Welcome to my channel, and today we're going to talk about the swift planet. Well, which is the swift planet? Mercury is the swift planet. We call Mercury the swift planet. But why? Did you think this? Because Mercury sits closest to the sun and it travels fastest out of all of the planets, so that we call it the swift planet. Well, we're gonna know about fantastic facts about Mercury. So let's begin. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun and is the smallest planet in our solar system, with a diameter of 4,879 kilometers. We always see it near the sun in the sky. Mercury has no moon and is too small to hold onto any atmosphere. An interesting mystery related to this planet is that till today nobody knows who first discovered Mercury. Really amusing, right? And 1 year in Mercury takes place in just 88 Earth days. This is because being closer to the sun, its orbit is smaller. Mercury is very small, about 18 Mercuries that fit inside Earth, but it's denser than any planet except Earth, because it seems to have a very large core of iron and nickel covered by a rocky mantle and crust. Mercury's iron core produces a magnetic field that's 100 times weaker than Earth's. This may be because Mercury spins more slowly on its axis. When Mercury passes directly between the Sun and a bigger planet, it's visible against the solar disk. We see the planet as a tiny dot moving slowly across the face of the huge Sun. This is called the transit of Mercury. This phenomenon takes place every 8 years in May or November. From the Earth, scientists and astronomers have observed this phenomenon as many as 13 to 14 times in a century. And the next transit of Mercury will be on 13th November 2032. Okay, let's see the planet profile. Average distance from the Sun is about 36 million miles. Surface temperature is about 180 degrees Celsius to 430 degrees Celsius. Really amazing. So hot. Diameter is about 4,879 kilometers. Length of day 58 days, 15 hours and 30 minutes. Length of year 88 Earth days, means 87.96 Earth days. And it has no moon. Gravity is 0.38%. One of the interesting facts about Mercury is that it has the thinnest atmosphere amongst all the known planets. It has less air or almost no air. Sound can travel through this planet, which makes it a very silent planet. Its gravitational force isn't enough to hold onto the atmosphere. Thus, the atmosphere gets easily blown away by solar winds. Like the Moon, Mercury is covered with craters. Mercury has the most number of craters among all the planets in the solar system. These are here cause of collisions with several asteroids and comets. The largest and the famous crater on the surface of Mercury is called the Caloris Basin, which is about 1500 kilometers across. This crater was discovered by Mariner Ten-Brough in 1974. Mercury has wrinkles on its surface because the iron core of the planet is constantly cooling down and contracting. The scientists have named these wrinkles lobate scraps. These scraps can be as long as a mile high or hundreds of miles long. Let's know about the atmosphere of Mercury. oxygen is about 42%, sodium 22%, hydrogen 22%, helium 6%, potassium 0.5%, and auto gases are about 8%. The sunlit side of Mercury gets very hot, especially the equatorial region nearest the sun is the hottest area. The Caloris Basin lies in one of these hot spots. There is evidence that water ice may exist at the bottom of the deep craters on the planet's poles. We still know very little about how Mercury was formed. The spacecraft Mariner 10 probe gave us a lot of information about its surface. Anyway, you watched the video and knew something about Mercury. So now tell me, what did you learn? And how was the video in the comment section? So, we'll meet in my next video. Till then, keep watching my other videos. Take care. Love you all. Bye bye.